Welcome to the Friday Value video and welcome to The Resistance. We are amidst a series that I really hope is changing the trajectory of your life each and every week with this information. Today, we're going to talk about pillar number 5 of the 7 pillars to have lifelong well-being, specifically expert guidance. Stop guessing and start progressing. A strong, independent future isn't chance. It's applied science with a skilled guide. Google doesn't heal people. AI never worked with a real person, face to face. Nor did AI ever learn how unique each person is when it comes to resolving issues. And it never will. I've seen several people come into the clinic setting with the same exact diagnosis, the same exact symptoms, yet they each required a completely different plan of care and strategies to apply in order to resolve the issues. Even evidence-based protocols to treat chronic pain issues will never fully succeed because of this very important fact. We are each unique. We have our own histories, our own body types, our own lifestyles, our own everything. Generic exercise routines, especially when they're recommended, even by well-meaning but misinformed movement professionals, will rarely fix pain and can often cause pain and injury. Yes, sometimes it's helpful. However, oftentimes it's not. And this is mostly due to not understanding that success requires finding the cause of the problem, which is almost always not where the pain is experienced. The pain area is often the victim. Stretching, exercising, treating that area of pain is basically beating up the victim, while the culprit continues to wreak havoc, ignored and hidden from exposure. Your knee is rarely the problem. The hips above, the ankles below are usually the culprit. Your low back is probably not the problem. Oftentimes, it's the trunk above or the hips below wreaking havoc. Your shoulders are often a victim of poor trunk function or poor hip stability or even ankle impairment. You're a whole person, not a body part. Don't be treated like one. And you need an expert who understands that you're a whole body. And guessing and spending hours on the internet very often just leads to frustration, wasted time, confusion, failure, and deeper dysfunction. Most people don't need more work or another quick fix. They need the right work and better understanding of why the problem exists in the first place. They need someone who understands the body's design, how everything is connected to everything else. Someone who seeks to find the real culprits and gives accurate direction that provides only potential benefit and no potential harm. The right expert saves years of pain, confusion, and failure. The right expert dispels complex information from reliable and credible sources, clarifying what works and what doesn't work to restore what's impaired. The right expert empowers you to be accurately informed so you can make better decisions with improved outcomes. The right expert brings you from just knowing stuff to how to apply it in real life. Just knowing stuff doesn't really impact your life. It's how to apply it that really moves the needle. That's real wisdom. A skilled and experienced expert accelerates recovery and prevents injury. Stop working hard on the wrong fix. Seek expert guidance to achieve lifelong success. Yes, there's a boatload of free advice on the internet. Have you ever heard that you get what you pay for? So, join the resistance to have lifelong well-being. I'll see you next week.